Gold pulls back as we continue to consolidate. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by FXEmpire, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The gold market has pulled back slightly in the early hours on Wednesday as we continue to consolidate after a pretty significant shot higher. At this juncture, I do believe that the $2,600 level underneath will continue to be support. And I also recognize that there are a handful of reasons why this market should continue to go higher over the longer term. The first one, of course, is the fact that central banks around the world are cutting rates, and more specifically, the Federal Reserve is, and that has gold bugs excited. On the other hand, we have plenty of geopolitical issues out there that could drive the price of gold higher, and that's not to be dismissed very lightly because, quite frankly, there are a few things that are more safe than owning gold. Short-term pullbacks, I do think, continue to get bought into as value. If the market were to break higher, perhaps clearing the $2,700 level, the market then goes much higher, perhaps reaching towards the $3,000 level over the longer term. When I look at the chart, I can see that we are in the midst of perhaps forming a bit of a bullish flag, so that could also come into the picture as well. So ultimately, I think you've got a market that goes much higher, but it just got a little bit ahead of itself in the short term. Make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe.